Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make this elegant updo. So begin by making our parting, and then we want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail. Then we want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring this hair from the ponytail through it, but only halfway through like I'm showing, pinning the ends away like I'm showing here. We want to stretch the created underneath bubble and pin it from both sides using bobby pins. If you need, you can use more than 2 if your bobby pins are not that good. So we want to stretch it like so. Release our ends and crisscross them like so, and then you want to tack into the elastic the ends of already not ends but loops. You want to stretch it and make sure that the ends are inside of the loop. So you create this bubble, and your super easy elegant hairstyle for summer is ready. Tell me please in the comments down below what you think about it. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much and see you soon. Bye.
I can't take back, I can't stop feeling